Morning, folks. How are you doing? I hope and I pray everyone has a wonderful trading week. Good news, good news, good news. Bitcoin just hit an all time high of 121,600 right here. Bitcoin all time high 121,600. Today is the 14th day of July 2025. You can hear the birds singing from my window. It is a very, very bright day. I have every cause to thank God for my life today and for the understanding He gave us about price action. May His name be praised. So, guys, I am looking at this price action right here, and in my I had this level in my sight. So right now, I had already entered this position here. That was quite early. I should have waited for price to come back to this consequent encroachment. I thought price was going to explode. There is no excuse anyway. Yes, there is no excuse anyway. But I love to see bearish candles forming on the higher or on the upper part of my marked out fair value gap when I'm bullish. Okay, that's actually why I took this. I may decide to even load more positions when price returns here, but I will not do that because I went in heavy on this one. So I am more like going to leave my position to run and have my stop loss where it is. This is a 3 risk reward trade. So let me just quickly show you how I fleshed out this position, and we call it a day, and we go about our daily businesses. I want to know the reason why I asked to watch this level. Let me drop to the 1 minute chart and know whether I'll see anything, because I know that that level I marked it out while looking on something. But what was that? What was that thing that made me mark out that level? Um, there is still a gap here. This is like an order block or changing the state of delivery. This one has been balanced. Wow. I just hope my stop loss is safe. Let me go to the 1 day chart and see. Oh, okay. Um, it actually took out liquidity on the downside. That's the reason I have this one. So I think I should change the color to blue. No, to blue. Okay. So blue is the reason why this break of structure or sweep of liquidity, no matter how you call it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to indicate I'm just trying to indicate what you have there. So that's a sweep of liquidity on the 1 day chart, and since then price has been pushing higher. So on the 1 hour chart, this actually looks like a sweep of liquidity with this candle right here. So we are still trying to see more of what price has performed so far. So smart money is actually trying to drive price up to this relative equal high, which happens to be slightly above the midpoint of this range. I can use my Fibonacci tool to mark this whole candle range. This range, I'm actually marking it to show you how I am operating in this realm or in this leg of price action. So my take profit is slightly above the zero point 0.5 level, which is a good level for me. Let me drop down to the 5 minutes chart. Okay, I marked this one from here. This guys has already been worked anyway, but I love how price took liquidity right here inside this range and broke higher to the upside and left this high untouched. I like that this high was left untouched. 5 minutes chart. I like that this high was left untouched. When price put this high right here, it came to take out this internal liquidity with this leg. So I'm expecting it, or we are anticipating price to take out this relative equal high, which is a hanging high. I love that high. It is kind of exposed and screaming, smart money, come and take me, you know. And it's more like what I hear that high singing right now. So we are expecting price to go to that high. On the flip side, price may decide to take out this low before going to the upside. So in the case where I see price closing below this inversion fair value gap that I marked out, I will automatically close my position, or I will place my entry on my I will place my exit, sorry, I'll place my exit on my entry point, and I'll exit on a retracement to that level. So that is basically what I have on my chart today. If you are new to price action, do not give up. If you are not understanding anything, continue going back to the chart, continue going back to study price action, continue going back to study liquidity voids, and in no time you are going to start to understand these things, and you will anticipate price firsthand, even before even before your retail traders sees this even before they do, you have already anticipated where price will go. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for showing up, thank you for turning up in my videos, and I appreciate everyone that likes, I appreciate everyone that subscribes. um Today we are expecting bullish price action from Bitcoin, actually. Yes, because Bitcoin just hit an all-time high. So I'm hoping altcoins will rally because some of them on my watch list they are already doing very well. Some of them on my watch list they are doing very well. I'm looking at previous all-time losers from the past week. So that's what I'm looking at now. And I want to get a retracement on them. So that's about it. I'll call it a day here. And I'll see you guys at market close. Have a lovely Monday. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. Watch this level. What they want to sweep price.